In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace messages not showing. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so fix number one is check the right inbox. So Marketplace chats are sometimes stored in Marketplace or message requests, not your main Messenger inbox. Now, in order to do this, go ahead and open up Messenger. And then once you've opened it up, you're going to be on the chats tab. You want to click onto the menu tab, bottom right hand corner, and then click onto message requests. Then from here, it will say you may know or spam. So click on the spam folder and there we go. We've got a lot of message requests that I haven't even known I've got in here. So now this is where your messages might be taken to. So yeah, double check that your messages aren't inside of here. Now, if you do see one, for example, just go ahead and click onto it and then say yes. So I can go accept and then say, yes, are you still interested, basically. Okay, the next fix is to go ahead and update Facebook. So click and hold down Facebook, click onto I, scroll down, click in the app details install and make sure Facebook is up to date, and do the same for Messenger. Now, if none of the issues that I've said still doesn't work, what we can do is go ahead and open up Facebook, then click onto our account. Then from here, we want to scroll down and choose help and support. Click onto report a problem and then scroll down, click on continue to report a problem, then click onto, we can go ahead and include logs, so click include. You can choose disable if you don't want, and then from here scroll down and click onto messages, and now we want to go ahead and describe the issue. So basically say, hey, I'm not receiving any Facebook Marketplace messages. Can you please help me with this issue? You can record your screen and show them exactly what's happening, or upload images from your phone, then click send, and then give Facebook 24 to 48 hours to respond back and help you with that issue.